Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your phone and turning on mobile data. This lets the hotspot settings appear. Open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet or Cellular. Don't pause on unrelated menus. Once there, tap Hotspot and Tethering or Personal Hotspot so the current hotspot name and password become visible. Make sure you have screen access and a secure environment. Why? Because you will reveal a password and may change it. If prompted, authenticate with PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID before moving on. Now focus on how to see the actual characters. Tap the hotspot entry and look for the password field. Many phones hide it. Tap the eye icon or Edit to reveal the text. This displays the password so you can copy it exactly. If you don't see it, use Settings Search and type hotspot password or check the advanced hotspot options. For iPhone, open Personal Hotspot. For Android, open Mobile Hotspot. Remember why. Accurate copying avoids connection issues and preserves security when you change or share it. Finally, paste or type the password into the device you want to connect and confirm the connection succeeds. If not, re-enter carefully because case and symbols matter. You can change the password in the same hotspot screen. Do this when granting temporary access. If the password field won't display, restart your phone and retry, and make sure carrier or device admin policies aren't restricting hotspot access. That one troubleshooting tip: restart and verify account permissions solves most visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.